Alright, here we go. That's the tricky spot right here. That's where I didn't want to go in the springtime when the water was running really high. If you fell into that, you'd be in big trouble. Yeah. So it wasn't so bad, but I can see why I was really reticent in the springtime, because the water was really high, and if I had to get swept into it, I would go flying down over the next big set of falls, which are substantial. So best to take the safe way, but down here looks so precarious too. The rope is hung up on that little branch growing there. I'm glad to have this rope, I'll tell you that. In fact, tie it up on that so I'll have a good, it'll be easy to get at. Alright, I'm rope free. Wow, some nice little campfire. Yeah. I'm going to go up and turn that camera off. You might be able to do that. You can too.